Hello friends, how to fix Snapchat director mode not showing? In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Snapchat, tap and hold, tap on I button or app info, tap on storage, now tap on clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm, then go back to previous page and make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one. Suppose location, nearby device, phone, photos and videos, then go to home page and go to Play Store, search here Snapchat, update your Snapchat app to latest version, then open your Snapchat app. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.